the next mini roundabout. We are going straight ahead. The sat nav will not recognize this roundabout. 3 Amigos sign is there. It's a blind spot towards my right. I am braking, I am slowing down, making sure it's safe for me to go. Having a scan on my right hand side, it's completely clear. I'm going to take the next left in. Check your mirrors, middle left, signal left. Once we take this next left turn, we're going to take the next right turn. You can see a 20 zone sign here, and I'm going to check my mirrors and signal right. There is a car coming, he's on the speed bump. I should be able to make the turn, and I'm making a turn towards my right. When you come here, they will make you do one of the maneuvers, most likely a parallel parking, possibly further down or near this white car that we just passed. You could even possibly do it, you probably won't do it at that black car actually, because of the turn on the left there. So this is a 20 zone. I am checking my mirrors. I'm going to move back in, check my mirrors, middle left, move back in. And I'm going to take the next right turn, so check my mirrors, middle right, signal right,